2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that you don't need big displacement to have big fun. This lightweight two-stroke ripper continues to be the ultimate tool for riders who want to sharpen their skills and enjoy pure, unadulterated motocross. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we celebrate the machines that put smiles on faces. Let's talk about why this classic keeps getting better. Design. The YZ125 maintains its lean, purposeful look with updated graphics that pop on the track. The slim chassis and minimalist bodywork keep weight down and agility up. Yamaha's signature blue stands out in any lineup, while the narrow profile makes it easy to grip with your knees through corners. Every component is placed with intention, creating a bike that feels like an extension of the rider. Performance. That 124cc two-stroke engine screams to life with that distinctive ring-ding sound. The power delivery rewards smooth throttle control and proper technique, making it perfect for developing riding skills. The lightweight chassis changes direction effortlessly, and the Kayaba suspension handles everything from tabletops to rough braking bumps. This bike teaches you to carry momentum and choose lines wisely. Features and technology. While the YZ125 keeps things refreshingly simple, it doesn't lack sophistication. The tuned power valve optimizes power band delivery, and the lightweight aluminum frame provides excellent feedback. The hydraulic clutch offers consistent feel, and the adjustable suspension lets you fine-tune for your weight and skill level. It's technology that enhances the riding experience without overcomplicating things. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 remains the gold standard for learning proper technique and having a blast doing it. Did you start on a 125 two-stroke? Share your story in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motocross coverage. We'll see you at the track.